I, Bhatti Vikramarka Mallu, having been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. I, Bhatti Vikramarka Mallu, member of Telangana Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I shall abide by and follow the rules, observe the etiquette and respect the conventions of the House.